Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, November 4th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. In this short video, I'm going to talk to you about the difference between those interested in network marketing and those committed in network marketing. Okay? So I would say about 98, 99% of all people involved in network marketing are in the interested category. And what I mean by that is that they're interested in quitting their job, making a lot of money, having a beach house, driving the Rolls Royce, having time freedom, doing what they want when they want on their own terms without having to worry about money, okay? They're interested in it. Then on the other hand, you have the 1 or 2% of those who are committed, all right? And those that are committed are the ones who have success in network marketing, okay? We all know that network marketing, or MLM, it gets a bad rap because the majority of people, the 98, 99% of people that sign up are just interested. They don't have any interest in doing any work. They're interested in the lifestyle that they could potentially have. But when it comes to actually doing the work or staying committed long enough to seeing results, they fall short on that, okay? If they sign up, they might stick with it for a month or 2 or 3. I think the average network marketer sticks with it for about 3 months. But then when they're not making $10,000 a month after those 3 months, they quit and they say it doesn't work, right? And then they go and they complain on social media and everything that they've been scammed, they've been part of a pyramid scheme and all this BS, really, okay? But really what it is that they weren't committed enough, okay? Because the committed people, the 1 to 2% in network marketing who make $10,000 a month or more, are the ones who are committed. They're the ones who show up every single day and treat the company that they're in like the real business that it is, okay? They do the work, they share the opportunity, they stay consistent, they don't give up. Even when there are bad days, they don't give up, okay? These are the people that make it in network marketing. So my question is to you, are you interested in network marketing or are you committed to network marketing? Because if you're committed to network marketing, then I'm looking to work with you, okay? We have an awesome company that just launched in April of this year. The parent company has been in business for over 25 years, but this new opportunity just launched in April of this year. We're in over 120 countries now. We have over 26,000 members who have joined us since April, and our team is just growing like crazy, okay? We've had almost 200 people in the last week and a half or so join our personal team, my personal team, okay? So if you're looking to supplement your income, if you're looking to quit the rat race and really change your life, then I'm looking forward to working with you, okay? Because I'm looking for people who are committed, people that are not going to give up after a month or two, people that see the vision that our company has, see the product that we have, and see the huge potential that this soon-to-be billion-dollar company is going to be, okay? So if you're interested in learning more about our global business opportunity and how you can get started for just $9.97 a month, click the link down below this video. You'll be taken over to our tour page where there's a 6-minute video that explains this business in a little more detail. And then all you have to do to lock in your position is enter your name and a valid email address. That'll take you over to a temporary back office so you can learn more about this business. And then if it resonates with you, you can join from that page. Once I see you join, I'm going to send you a personal welcome email from me. You're going to get all my contact information. You're going to get invited to our private Facebook group and our official Facebook group. And I'm just going to be there to help you be successful if you're willing to put in the work, okay? So again, if you're really looking to change your life, which you can do, you don't have to be a professional marketer to make network marketing work, okay? You just have to put in the work, and that's network, right? You have to put in the work, and those that put in the work are the ones who come out on the top. All right, so I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. I also appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.